everyone, I'm Tenzin Palzom and welcome to What's in My Khugma. So I'm going to show you guys what is in my bag. So this is my bag. It is from Uniqlo. It's the crossbody bag. It's in black. It's a very nice bag. It holds a lot of things, and yeah, let me show you what I have in there. So the first thing I would show you is my AirPods Max. I need headphones everywhere I go because if I'm going out somewhere alone by myself, I need headphones because I feel very self-conscious when there are people all around, me, and I feel like everyone's looking at me when I know they're not, but I need them. These are my safe, what would I say? These are my everything though, yeah. And on my bag, there's a few things that I would like to show you. First thing is this keychain that I have. It's a Daydreamy doll. It's a fan-made character of NCT Dream's Mark, and he's my favorite, so yeah, got that. And on the strap of the bag, I have this ponyo pin that you can see. I love ponyo a lot. If I ever have kids in the future, I would make sure to make them watch this movie because it's like very comforting and very nice, a very slow movie. I would recommend you guys to watch it as well. Now let's get into the bag. So the first thing I would take out is my sunglasses. I got these from Testo, I guess. This, and second thing would be my purse. I don't usually carry this purse. I usually carry card wallets that I have in this purse, but I only carry this purse when I need to carry my money and stuff like that, so you better know that I have money today. and this purse is from Coach, and in my purse I have another wallet, like I said, that I carry, a card wallet. I usually carry this when I don't have money, I mean like cash. So it has everything that I need, all of my identity cards. So I have my PAN card, my Metro card, my Aadhaar card, and my debit card. Yes. And this is from Jessica Simpson's. And I have my mom's Polaroid in the purse. Yes. And the next thing would be my eyes. I cannot see without these, but I refuse to wear them on a daily basis because, I don't know, they feel kind of uncomfortable to wear, but I refuse to wear lenses as well, so I'm practically blind every single day. I wear this, but they look nice. Sometimes I wear them with my outfits just to style them, but most of the times I'm wearing my glasses when I'm at home, not outside. I don't know why. These glasses are from John Jacobs. I ordered these from Lenskart, so if you guys want glasses like these, you can get it from Lenskart. This is my holy grail. I have bangs. I get bangs every single year, but I regret them every single year as well. But I need this when I have bangs because like this fix my bangs. It's like everything you. This is like a holy grail for everyone that has bangs. That, and I'll show you my lip products. I am so into lipsticks. I need lipsticks, I need lip products in my life, so I have a few in my hands. So the first product, this one is actually a lip balm from EOS. It's really nice, it moisturizes your lips. Yes, sir. And I'm very into lip tints rather than matte lips because I feel like they dry out my lips a lot. So I'm a lip tint girly and I like the dewy and glossy look for my makeup. This is the Roman Dutiful Water Tint in the color Lilac Cream. I don't usually wear this on my lips because it's a little cool tone, and I usually wear this on my cheeks to use it as a blush. It's a very pinky, coolish tone lip tint, and this is the lip tint that I'm wearing right now. It's the Roman Juicy Lasting Tint in 19 Almond Rose. I'm wearing this right now and I love it. The formula, the texture, everything feels very, very, very nice. And this e.l.f. lip tint, I use it to mix with my other lip tints and all because it is very brown and it does not suit my face at all. But to mix it with other lip tints, it looks nice. This is the e.l.f. Cinnamon Dreams. Yeah, it looks like this. And the last product would be from the Sephora collection. It is in color 1235B. Again, this is a very cool tone color. I don't use this again on my lips because if I use this lipstick, I look dead. I look dead. But yeah, I use this on my blush. I use this on my cheeks as a blush. I'm wearing it right now. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's there, so. And the last thing would be my sanitary pads because I'm a girl and we get it every month. So yeah, that is it for what's in my bag, what's in my Khugma. And yeah, thank you so much. Make sure you guys subscribe the Chisum Talk Show YouTube channel and also listen to the About Me podcast on Spotify, also on YouTube. Thank you.